What up, my boy?
Yeah.
Well, chillin', man. Yeah. Rev it up like 1-2 times, man. Alright. Wow. Woo! Oh, man. Yes, sir. It's about time. You smell all the fumes or what?
Hell yeah, you getting tips?
Yeah, they on the way. They come tomorrow. So, look what ended up coming in on the specific date that it said it would. So, can't be mad. Yes, I know. I'm opening the box backwards. It be like that sometimes, man. Got that Carven exhaust tip. Let's see if the installation is going to be as simple as it seems. And we're back. Had to stop and have a little quick conversation with the OGs, man. Reformed knucklehead. I ain't reformed because I ain't never been in no penitentiary, but I did go for a second. But can't be a knucklehead all your life, man. You gotta listen. These OGs, they have information that can help you if you're willing to listen. I might have to go. Oh, this dust is killing me. And if this don't work well, guess where we going, guys? Right to Richie to let him call. Oh man, and this if this don't work, guess where we going, guys? Right to Richie to let him do it. Oh man. Well, on a serious note, this should be interesting because yeah, we got the initial sound of the whole exhaust. It's definitely different, definitely louder. But now we're gonna see if these 5-inch tips, like this little area right here, if it even makes a difference. Like if the slaps, the claps, the burbles, whatever you want to call them, come out a little bit more aggressive. And I'm curious to know too, so let's see. I told my friend, leave it nice and tight so it could be nice and right. That's good for right now. And there we go. It needs a little bit of adjusting, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Nah, that's way too much of a difference. On the way to Richie real quick now. Got in the calm little 500 mode. A few little burbles, but nothing crazy. Hey man, them burbles is my favorite part. It's not excessive, it's not crazily loud. Oh, my tip fell off. How I knew that would happen. Wow. Oh, it's scratched up now. Fuck. Good thing I was paying attention. Let's hurry up and get there. It had to have been the second time I took it off, man. Hopefully it don't do too much damage back there, cause now I need to hurry up and get there. And all I did was go over a pothole, man. I'm headed there now. Oh man, I'm weak. Hopefully if I hit it with a little bit of touch-up paint, like little black paint. I don't know. Damn, man. I just seen that joint. Pow, pow, doing somersaults. Oh, it's like everything that I think of, bro. That's what comes. Oh my God. God damn it, man. You have to be kidding me. And imagine I had my music bumping, not paying attention. I would have got by Richie and said, yo. Oh my God, man. And I thought I put that joint on tight. That's what I was saying. It's not going back. It's not sitting flush like the other one. That killed my vibe. That's $200 right there, bro. Scuffed up now. Rolling around like I don't know what. This ain't even funny no more, man. I'll get it to y'all when I get there. They done stole the fucking courtesy vehicle from Bayside. They're trying to take off the goddamn courtesy stickers. Brother, bring it back. It's not yours. Bring it back. Oh yeah, I'm about to go in there. Oh, brother, what's that?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
What's up? What's up?
Receipt, right?
Huh?
You come for the receipt?
Well, yeah, that too, but I need help fixing the tips, man. I put the new tips on, it won't go in all the way.
The what part?
The tip, the exhaust tips, that finally came in.
Oh!
Yeah. It won't sit flush, and then it just had a little scuffle, man. All right, I got you, no problem. Look at this shit. Man, God damn it, man. Nah, the tips, man. Nah, it's in the car.
Oh.
It won't go all the way in, man.
But that's that you wait for the...
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for.
Yeah.
And then, ah, man. Let me show y'all the damage while we wait. I was like, yo, bro, I just turned around, look in the rear view. That shit was doing a somersault. The boss man D-Lo voice, man. Damn. It's not bad, but it's bad. I'm gonna touch that up eventually. Look at that. On the main piece, you can see. Oh, boy. It's all right, man. We're gonna get it right. Got a random car meet going on with no guidance, so we about to make our way in that direction real quick. Feel me? I ain't gonna blow y'all with all this traffic. Well, I don't know if it's traffic, but let's see. Got to the second location, that was burnt, going to the third. But we caught back up with the Porsche finally, nigga. Shit, hold on, y'all. Yeah, we was wilding on the, they was wilding on the belt. I don't know about we. I definitely started to humble my ass a little bit. Feel me? That bitch was giving away.